This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a biology final exam. First, gather all your notes, textbooks, and lab materials. Next, review your syllabus to pinpoint the most important topics and learning objectives. Create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject area. This structured approach will help you cover all necessary content efficiently and reduce last-minute stress. Don't just passively reread your notes. Engage in active recall. Make flashcards for key terms, definitions, and processes. Quiz yourself regularly to test your memory and identify areas needing more attention. Drawing out complex biological pathways or anatomical structures from memory can significantly deepen your understanding. Also, try to solve practice questions to simulate exam conditions. Biology isn't just about memorization, it's about understanding interconnected systems. Instead of rote learning, strive to grasp the underlying mechanisms and relationships between concepts. Try explaining difficult topics to a friend or even to yourself out loud. This verbalization helps clarify your thoughts and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Look for patterns and overarching themes. As the exam approaches, dedicate time for a comprehensive review of all major topics. Prioritize areas where you feel less confident. On the day before, ensure you get a full 8 hours of sleep and eat nutritious meals. Staying hydrated is also crucial for focus. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.